Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp 2026 how to mirror an object. So as example, you can draw sketch by using the pencil tools, and the next use pull tools to convert into 3D. You also can double click and then make a group this object. Now, if you want to mirror these objects, first we can copy the object by using move command. You can click these icons, move, and then I will click from this point, click, press control button, it will be copy, and then you can click to set the copy. The next, select the objects, and then we can use the flip tools to flip the object. I will flip in the red axis, and then you can press space button to close. Now we already mirror the object. Okay, that's it for basic SketchUp 2026 how to mirror an object.